Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is a full face using high-end products. Now I don't know who the hell I think I am saying full face using something when I don't discriminate. I use all types of makeup, high-end, drugstore, whatever. If it works, I'll use it. But I thought it would be fun to do like a challenge myself and go through my collection. It has helped me pick out items that I haven't used in a long time. So yeah, I do like doing videos like this. I also wanted to take the opportunity to try out the new Charlotte Tilbury products that I recently hauled on my Instagram. So I definitely did want to put some of those products to test, show you guys how they perform, and also experience them myself, how they perform. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I created this look, this glowy goddess gorgeous look, then all you have to do is keep watching and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay? Alright then. Enjoy. Bye. So this is the big box I got from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've already taken pictures of all these products and talked about my first impression on my Instagram. I love these boxes, but they're so hard to open sometimes. So I've already talked about these products and I've already taken pictures, and they're currently on my Instagram. So if you're interested to see pictures of all of these items swatched, then feel free to check out my Instagram. It's Medea J. Simple, name everywhere. So just check that out. But I'm just going to use some of the products in here because I got a couple of items in different shades. So, and I really want to do something glowy and sun-kissed. So I'm going to be gravitating towards the glowy stuff. So yeah, let's start. So I haven't primed. I actually only moisturize a little bit this morning. It's afternoon now, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the Charlotte Tilbury Brightening Youth Glow Cream. It's anti-aging, color correcting, and it's a glow booster. I did a review of this on my blog, which I will link below. So when you have a second, feel free to go and have a look at that. I'm just going to apply that to my face. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. It's an instant focus beauty flash. It says, use it to turn around tired, dull skin in a beauty flash. And my skin is looking grey a little bit. So I'm going to apply that to my face. So I really want a glowy, healthy looking skin today. So I'm going to use the Skin Chemist Lip Plumper. I have been using this quite a lot before applying lipstick, and it does help give that little pout. I'm going to apply that and leave that till I want to apply my lipstick. Right, so I don't have a high-end corrector, so we're going to skip that step. Instead, I'm going to go in with the Japonesque Liquid Light, and I'm going to apply that to my face because, as I said, I want something really, really glowy today, like sun-kissed, beautiful, and all that. And I'm just going to apply that with my brush all over. Give my skin that kind of healthy looking appearance. Now the only high-end not full coverage, just the only high-end foundation that I have, aside from Fenty Beauty that killed my skin, is the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation, which is almost finished, and the Makeup Forever HD foundation. So I'm going to mix the two because they're both almost out, because I've been using the Revlon Color Stay foundation, which is my favorite. So, but because that's a drugstore and not high-end, and we're doing a high-end look, I'm just going to mix the two. Now, the Urban Decay foundation is very thick, so it's going to be interesting. I think I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you do full coverage foundation. Girl, full. I forgot that the Urban Decay foundation doesn't quite match me, but we're gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I love this on a normal day anyway. It's almost out, so I'm happy to use this. And you guys have seen me fill out my brows 1,000,001 times, so I think it's best if I skip this step. Right, so my brows are on, and I use the MAC Studio Finish Concealers in NC45 and NC50 to clean up my brows. I'm almost out of the NC50. To clean up my brows, so now I'm going to move on to my eyes. Now I really want to use the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize Long Lasting Easy Color. Now I did a couple of swatches on my Instagram. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, can't help you. So these are the swatches I did on my Instagram. I don't know if you can see them, but that is what it looks like. And this is what they look like in the tub. So I've got 3 shades here. I've got Jean, which looks like this, which is the one I probably want to use because it's got like gold tone to it. I've got Cleopatra, which is a beautiful blue shade. This was a contender, but I really want to go with a glowy look. And then I've got Verushka, which looks like this. Very beautiful colors. Swatches on my Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and use Jean. And it says to apply it with your fingers for a nice day color. So you can apply it in windshield wiper motions for a day color. But if you really want it to be intense, to apply it with a blender brush. It doesn't say anything about not applying any base to your lids or anything. So I've applied a little bit of concealer. I just dragged down my NC45 concealer. I'm just blending that. And I am going to use a blending brush. But a blending brush that's a bit stiffish in a way. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm just going to tap a little bit just to get a bit of it on the brush. Then I'm just going to go ahead and apply. Ooh, it's very, very, ooh, she's soft. Okay, that's a lot of product. Okay, you only need a tiny bit. Wow. Okay. I think I may have overdone it. Wow. You only need the tiniest. And I've put way too much. Definitely put way too much. I have definitely put too much. I'm going to just use my finger. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys. You only need the tiniest bit and it blended out, wow, beautifully. The sheen, and it doesn't feel sticky or tacky or anything. It feels like it just blended into my skin. This is so pretty. So pretty. Wow. Like that literally, it's just like, I don't know how to describe the formula. It just dries down into like a powder feel without being sticky. It's very pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't know what to do with myself. It's just so pretty. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready. I really wasn't ready. I really just wanted a wash of one color, which is what I've got. Beautiful. I don't know if it's coming off as beautiful on camera, but it's so beautiful in person. So I'm just going to go ahead with my brow bone highlight because I really want that glowing thing. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amarezzi highlighter. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Really intense. Pretty. Next, I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes, and I'm gonna use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer so I can really define those edges and then do my liner and see where we are at. So I'm definitely gonna just use this quickly. I literally don't want to bake, so I'm going to go ahead with my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. I'm going to dust off the powder under my eyes as well as set the rest of my face. So in my waterline, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Jean Michel pencil in Anatomy. I'm just going to use that in my waterline. And then I am going to set underneath my eyes as well as smoke it out with the orange shade from the Subculture, what's it called? Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to use Rilgar, which is at the end. This palette also has like shitloads of fallout. It's ridiculous. But I love the pigmentation, hence why I keep using it. Got this liquid liner from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the Feline Flick Quick Fine Line Liner. And it's not the clicky one, so you don't have to do that. So from the swatch that I did on my Instagram, it's really, really pigmented, and I really want to do like a fierce wing liner. So let's see how it works on products, because usually when you swatch something on bare skin it's fine, but then when you want to use it on products it's a problem. Okay, I'm in love. You guys see that? Well, that is beautiful. And now that both liners are on, I'm gonna add some depth to my crease so that that shine can really glow through. And I'm gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette again, and I'm gonna use the shade Soft Ochre. I mean, look, this guy. Just a slight addition to the crease, just for that added color, so it ties into my waterline. And then I'm gonna add some of the gold from the Amrezi palette, just a little bit here, just open up my eyes a little bit more. So for blush, I'm gonna use the MAC Toledo in Ripe Peach. Don't know if you guys remember this collection, but I just hoarded it. I didn't use it. I think I tried this blush once and it didn't show up on my skin. Yeah, it didn't really show up on my skin, so I was like, what a waste. I'm going to spritz my face, and I do have some Fix Plus in here and the Mario Badesque, but there's some Fix Plus, so it's kind of like high end. So this is what I'm going to use to settle my makeup. So as mascara, this is the only high-end mascara I've got, so I'm going to use it in as much as I'm not really a fan of it. And it's the Urban Decay Troublemaker Mascara. So I'm just going to gently coat my lashes, like literally gently, because if this sucker pokes you in the eye, it hurts. Mascara is settling in. I'm going to use the Amoresi highlighter, and I am going to highlight my face. Highlight is on and looking disrespectful. I'm gonna prep my lashes off camera. Now I don't really have like stupidly expensive lashes. I usually use the LePage Trend lashes, which are really affordable. But then I have these pair of Certified lashes, which are slightly more expensive than the LePage Trend lashes. So we're gonna be using it, and it's in the style Aisha or Aisha. It's really beautiful pair of lashes. So I'm gonna pop those on and come back. So my lashes are on and they're looking fabulous actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick, and I'm gonna use the Burberry lipstick in number 31, and it's a lip cover mocha glow. It smells beautiful and it looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply that on my lips. Right on top, I'm going to apply Fenty Glow. All in place. I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So this is the final look. I love it. It looks expensive. It looks like I'm dripping in gold. I'm loving it. Loving it. Loving it. I really love the way it came out. The Charlotte Tilbury cream eyeshadows are not creasing whatsoever. As you can see, they look beautiful. No crease, no lines, nothing. They're gorgeous. And I didn't use a primer. I only used a little bit of my prolonged wear concealer. I didn't even conceal my eyes, which I probably will in the next time I use it, just to see how it holds. But it's looking brilliant. It's so pretty. I just hope it's translating just as pretty on camera, because in person it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love my lip combo. It's like your lips were better. I just love the highlight. I love the lashes. I love the feline flick liner. I think it all looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And yeah, absolutely do love this look. Let me know in the comment box below if you guys like this look, if you like the idea. Would you like me to do more of these type of videos? Let your girl know. And I will get those scheduled for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch some more videos, you can catch them at the end of this one. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do. These kind of videos do take a lot of energy. It would be nice to know that my family is growing, please. So make sure you click the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in a future video. Remember that God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today. Thank you. Bye. 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 Bye.